Hello everyone. In this session we'll see another question on solutions of nonlinear equation. This one is using Newton-Raphson method. So it says Newton-Raphson method is used to find the root of the equation. It says x cube minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0 if the initial guess is x is equal to 2, the value of x after 2 iterations is. So we have to apply Newton-Raphson method here, and the function is also given. So f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. We can also find f dash of x. This is 3x square minus 2. Now we know the expression or the formula for Newton-Raphson method is, let's say xn plus 1 is xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So the first iteration we will have, where let's say x naught is equal to 2. Let's say this x equal to 2 is x naught equal to 2, and we can say n equal to 0. So we can find what is f of x naught. We can also find what is f dash of x naught. This is f of 2, which is going to be 2 cube minus 2 into 2 minus 5. So this is 8 and minus 9, which is minus 1. Also, the f dash at x equal to 2 is 3 into 2 square minus 2. So this is 12 minus 2, which is 10. Now x1 becomes xn. So xn is x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. This will be x naught is 2 minus 1 divided by 10. So this is going to be 2 plus 0.1, which is 2.1. This is our first iteration value, and we need to find the second iteration value. So second iteration, let's say what is f of 2.1 and also f dash of 2.1. This is going to be 2.1 cube minus 2.1 into 2 minus 5, and f dash will become 3 into 2.1 square minus 2. So this value, this is going to be 0.061 and this is going to be 11.23. So x0 is there, x1 is there. Now x2 will be x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. So this becomes 2.1 minus 0.061 divided by 11.23. This is actually 2.0945. So this is our second iteration value and this will be the answer for this case. Second iteration, this is x2. So this will be the answer.